Welcome to Tech Vibes. Stop before you wipe your TV screen with tissue, paper, or liquid spray. Watch this first. 10 seconds of wrong cleaning can permanently damage your expensive smart TV panel. I am speaking as a technician who repairs TVs every day. Most screen damage happens due to wrong cleaning methods, not hardware faults. Step 1. Power off the TV completely. Unplug the power cable from the wall socket. Never clean a TV while it is turned on. Static electricity and heat can damage the screen coating. Step 2. Use the correct cloth only. Always use a clean, dry microfiber cloth. Microfiber is softer than cotton and safe for LED, OLED, and QLED screens. Never use tissue paper, kitchen towel, or stitched cloth. These can cause micro scratches that appear after a few weeks. Step 3. Remove dry dust first. Gently wipe the screen in one direction only. Do not press the screen. Modern TV panels are thin and pressure sensitive. Too much pressure can cause dead pixels or light spots. Step 4. For fingerprints or oily marks, never spray liquid directly on the screen. Liquid can enter the panel edges and damage internal layers. Lightly dampen the microfiber cloth with clean water. Use distilled water if possible. Distilled water is mineral-free and safe. Avoid tap water if it contains hard minerals. Wipe gently in small circular motion, then wipe again with the dry side of the cloth. Step 5. Never use these items. Do not use glass cleaner, alcohol, sanitizer, vinegar, soap, or ammonia. These chemicals damage the anti-glare coating. Once damaged, the screen will look cloudy permanently. Step 6. How often to clean? Dry dust cleaning once a week is enough. Wet cleaning only when fingerprints appear. Over-cleaning can reduce screen life. Extra technician tips. Clean the TV in a dust-free room. Do not clean near a fan or air conditioner. Avoid cleaning under direct sunlight. Be extra gentle with OLED TVs. OLED pixels are sensitive to pressure. Follow these steps, and your TV screen will stay clear and safe for years. If this guide helped you, subscribe to Tech Vibes. I share real technician knowledge, not internet myths.